Welcome back to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into 7 key 2024 search trends to watch. Whether you are a digital marketer, business owner, or just curious about the future of online search, you are in for a treat. 7 trends for 2024. Now, let's explore the 7 trends that should shape your strategic roadmap in 2024. From SERP and visual optimization to engaging content strategies, these trends are the key to staying ahead. First up, SERP and visual optimization. Rich results will continue to evolve, and zero-click results will grow. To get noticed, focus on experiential informational videos, web stories, podcasts, webinars, visual optimization, FAQs, and PAs. A solid content strategy is essential. Find and fill relevant content gaps, review performance, create personalized content, and emphasize high EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Your content should help users achieve their goals. Content intelligence is key. Generative AI tools can create content, but knowing what types will perform well is crucial. Establish a data-driven approach to measure content effectiveness. User engagement shapes search results. Improve content quality and user experience for better results. In 2024, aim for a personalized experience, integrating CDP and CRM systems for maximum impact. Take a multi-channel approach. Optimize across various channels and content types, videos, images, FAQs, PAs, news, webinars. Be everywhere, be consistent. Local strategy is crucial. For those with a local presence, focus on personalized, localized, and experiential content. Think local posts, quality images, videos, and web stories. Listings. Management alone won't cut it. Optimize the entire local consumer journey. Build brand mentions and social proof. Understand what your customers are looking for and create targeted strategies. Earn citations from respected sources and influencers with substantial followings. So, are you ready for 2024? These trends and priorities will shape the digital landscape, and staying ahead is all about adapting and evolving. If you want to future-proof your digital presence, consider partnering with a forward-thinking tech company like Orage Technologies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay innovative.